General Butt Naked, born Joshua Milton Blahy, was a notorious warlord during the First Liberian Civil War. Known for his brutal tactics and bizarre rituals, his transformation into a Christian pastor is one of the most dramatic redemption stories in modern history. Joshua Milton Blahy was born on September 30th, 1971, in Monrovia, Liberia. He claims to have been initiated as a tribal priest at a young age, which marked the beginning of his path to becoming a feared warlord.
During the war, I commanded a group of fighters known for their extreme violence and bizarre practices. They called me General Butt Naked because my troops and I often fought naked, believing it made us invincible.
Blahy was notorious for his use of child soldiers and his belief in ritualistic practices, including human sacrifices, which he claimed granted him spiritual protection. His troops were responsible for the deaths of thousands of people.
We were just kids, but we believed in his rituals. We thought they made us strong and untouchable.
Blahy has admitted to being responsible for the deaths of around 20,000 people. His brutal methods and fearsome reputation made him one of the most feared figures in Liberia during the Civil War. Blahy's transformation began with a vision he experienced in 1996, where he claimed Jesus Christ appeared to him and told him to repent. This vision profoundly affected him and marked the beginning of his journey toward Christianity.
After his vision, Blahy abandoned his violent ways, left his troops, and fled to Ghana, where he lived in exile for some time. He began to study the Bible and immerse himself in Christian teachings.
Blahy returned to Liberia in 1999 and made a public confession of his crimes. He sought forgiveness from his victims and their families, a bold and controversial move that attracted significant attention.
Blahy founded the End Time Train Evangelistic Ministries, where he began working as a pastor. His ministry focuses on reconciliation and helping former child soldiers and war victims reintegrate into society.
Despite his conversion, many people remain skeptical of Blahy's transformation, questioning whether he has genuinely repented for his past actions. His dramatic change from a ruthless warlord to a pastor has been met with mixed reactions.
Blahy continues to work in Liberia, focusing on spreading his message of peace and reconciliation. He has also participated in various reconciliation projects, aiming to heal the wounds left by the Civil War.
General Butt Naked's journey from a feared warlord to a Christian pastor is a story of extreme transformation. While his past actions continue to cast a long shadow, his efforts toward reconciliation and forgiveness highlight the potential for change and redemption, even for those with the darkest pasts. His story serves as a powerful testament to the complexities of human nature and the possibility of finding redemption and purpose after a life of violence.